Hi guys, today we will do some practice question of set L. The first question is a point O in the interior of rectangle A, B, C, D is joined with each of the vertices A, B, C and D. Prove that OB square plus OD square is equals to OC square plus OA square. So here from point O we will draw perpendiculars OE, OF, OG and OH onto the sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. So by using Pythagoras theorem, OA square will be equals to OE square plus OH square and OB square is equals to OE square plus OF square. Similarly, OC square will be equals to OF square plus OG square and OD square will be equals to OG square plus OH square. So by adding all these equation and if we add the LHS of these all the equation, we will get the RHS, that is OB square plus OD square is equals to OC square plus OA square. Next question is prove the following trigonometric identity. The left hand side of the given trigonometric identity is cos square theta upon 1 minus tan theta plus sin cube theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. So can we write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta? So by taking the LCM we will get cos cube theta upon cos theta minus sin theta plus sin cube theta upon sin theta minus cos theta, and then we will take the LCM by taking the denominator as sin theta minus cos theta, and in the numerator we will get sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. As we know, a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we will get in the numerator sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta, and in the denominator we will get sin theta minus cos theta. As we know that the sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so and the sin theta minus cos theta in the numerator will get cancelled out by the denominator. So we will get the value of this term equals to 1 plus sin theta cos theta, which is our right hand side, hence proved. Next question is a hollow cut is cut by plane parallel to the base and the upper portion is removed. If the curved surface area of remainder is 8 by 9 of the curved surface area of whole cone, find the ratio of the line segment into which cone altitude is divided by the plane. So in this question we have to find the ratio of the height of the removed cone and the total whole area of the cone. So as the triangle VA dash B dash is removed from the whole cone, so the triangle VA dash B dash is similar to the triangle VAB. So firstly let's assume that for the whole cone radius is capital R, height is capital H and slant height is capital L, and for the removed area of the cone, radius is small r, height is small h and slant height is L. As I told you that the removed area of the cone is triangle VA dash B dash and the whole cone is VAB, so this triangle will be similar. So because they are from the same cone, so the ratio of their side will also be equal. So we get small r upon capital R is equals to small l upon capital L equals to small h upon capital H, and it is given that curved surface area of remainder is 8 by 9 of the original. So curved surface area of removed portion will be equals to 1 minus 8 by 9 of original, that is 1 by 9 of original, and curved surface area of cone will be equals to pi capital R capital L, and curved surface area of removed cone will be equals to pi small r small l. So the ratio of these curved surface area will be equals to 1 by 9. We will put small l upon capital L equals to small r upon capital R from the equation number first. So we will get small r square upon capital R square is equals to 1 by 9, which is equals to 1 by 9, and we will get small r upon capital R is equals to 1 by 3. So as small r upon capital R is also equals to small h upon capital H, so we will get the ratio of the height of the cone is equals to 1 upon 3. The last question is a 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the cone. In this question we dug the earth and take out the sand, and from the sand which is in the shape of cylinder, from this sand we made a rectangle from the same sand. So the volume of the cylinder of the sand will be equals to the volume of the formed rectangle from that sand. So here it is given that height of the cylinder is 20 meter and diameter is 7 meter, and dimensions of rectangle are 22 meter and 14 meter, as volume of dugout sand will be equals to volume platform, that is of volume of rectangle. Volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. We will put the value of r and h, which is equals to volume of cuboid, or we can say volume of rectangle or anything, that is platform, which is equals to L into B into H. We will put the value of length and base, it is given, and by equating these two equation we will get the height of the platform, that is 2.5 meter. Thank you.